Hello everyone! So, dito tayo nag-breakfast sa A-Lounge. Ang ginamit nating access is the Shell Elite Go Plus app. So, binili natin yung ticket natin 1.5 months before the flight. So, sa Cathay Pacific, inabot ng mga $222 per head. Saka hindi pa nag-start yung Operation Epic Fury that time. So, medyo reasonable pa yung airfare. Merong in-flight entertainment from Manila to Hong Kong. And as you can see, mas malaki yung legroom dito. During our short flight from Manila to Hong Kong, we were served the chicken and noodles. First time ko ata nakaubos ng meal. Masarap siya. Hello, we are here at the Hong Kong airport and we are waiting for our next flight to Seoul, Korea. If you like this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Our hotel transfer is via Klook, so ilagay ko na lang yung link sa description box.
I didn't. That's just a drink.
Take another.
Dito sa kitchen, complete sila with cutleries. Ito yung B&B natin. Tapos, lakad ka lang dito. Ayan. Kasi ito na, meron ng convenience store. Nakatabi. GS25. Pasok tayo.
이게 3면, 3면이 바로 새로
Bili muna tayo ng konting snacks while winding down. Let's get this.
Siyempre, sanay na ako dito.
So, balik na tayo sa room. Ito yung mga nabili natin. Nongshim, Shin Ramyun, Black Bowl, instant noodle. Tapos itong boldak, samyang, boldak carbonara, and mga tteokbokki. Also itong Yakult na large size. Strawberry milk and banana milk.
Yes. There's water pa. They gave us water.
And this one is Gisa Sikdang style soy sauce bulgogi rice bowl. Thank you for watching. See you at Myeongdong on our next trip.